families, I wanted to give you a video of how to log in to ClassLink and access Canvas. So here you go. Check your email, and your email will have this password cheat sheet. The password cheat sheet will have your child's name at the top left, and below will be a list of all of the websites and all of the passwords to get into everything that you need this year. So once you've opened that, the first box I want you to look at is ClassLink. Okay, once you get to ClassLink website, you're going to make sure that you're using your child's username, which is their ID number, and the password. Make sure you mind the period. So classlink.com/ConejosUSD is what I'm going to type in for my website, and it brings you to ClassLink like this. Then I'm going to go back and remember what the password and the login are. There we go. Once you've logged in, your dashboard should look something like this. ClassLink allows you to access Canvas and allows you to log on and get some of these apps as well. But today we're only going to focus on Canvas. Don't worry about these apps for now. So click the red circle that says Canvas, the top left. Once you're in, if it's your first time in Canvas, you'll be prompted to accept some courses. So click those green buttons and accept them. Those are made by your teachers. And once you've accepted them, your screen should look like this. This is your dashboard. Your dashboard is this half timer, and right below that is a book. Click the book, and those are your courses. Your first course is Nassar Team 4. Click Nassar Team 4. This is your go-to website. I've created this website so everything you need is in one spot. The first link that you'll see is a purple button. The purple button links you to our class Zoom at 8:30. So you'll click that Zoom button and it'll bring you right to our class meeting at 8:30. I'm going to use the back button, just the back space arrow, okay? And that's going to bring me right back to our class homepage. These orange and yellow buttons are really important down here because those are the buttons where you'll find your child's schedule. The 8:30 to 11 weekly schedule will look the same because every week, just like the past 3 days, we started class at 8:30. We did a morning meeting in language arts until about 9:15. We had a 15-minute break. We did math after that. We had another break, and we did some small groups, or what we did was we finished up what we needed to. So this will always look the same from 8:30 to 11. Use the back arrow, go back to the home page, and click this yellow button. This yellow button is everything after 11. So after 11, your child will have an individualized weekly schedule. I decided to make them individual because everyone had different services and we all went to different general education teachers. And so I wanted it to be easy for you to access. So when you click this button that's yellow, you'll be directed to 11 to 3 weekly schedule for August 24th through 28th. Your child's name will be here. Click that. Once you're in, you will see what your child has after 11 o'clock. You will have a lunchtime from 11 to 12. Unless you have adaptive PE, then on Tuesday for 30 minutes you'll have adaptive PE at 11 to 11:30. Miss Larufa, who you met on Friday, she popped into our class Zoom. She'll be sending out her Zoom link soon, and she'll let us know when AP will begin. At 12:30, this child has speech at 12:30 on Monday, the Zoom link you need is right down here. They go to Mrs. Scott's class, and they're in first grade, and the Zoom link is right here. And so this is what it looks like, and it gives you the links right under. Now, at 1:30, if you're done with all of your services, or if it's 2 o'clock, the time will show you individually down here. You will see the homework and the extension activities. So I wanted you to be able to see exactly what your child is supposed to do for homework and extension activities in one spot. So for Monday, it says homework, seesaw activity, and then it has 3 things to do. The first thing is a seesaw activity. And so Seesaw is a website, and it's actually a platform. It's for learning, and it allows you to access different activities that your teachers made. So I've made different activities that meet your child's goals. It allows them to learn all of the grade level material, and it's also a really fun way to show what they know. So the login for Seesaw is on this password cheat sheet page. You go to seesaw.me and you type in this code. So this year, if you were in my class last year, I had you log into Seesaw, and I would put a bunch of activities, and you could decide what you wanted to do that week. So this year I decided I want to give you an individual activity daily. And I'm going to link the individual activity directly to Canvas. So you'll click Back to School with Seesaw. All right. So you'll see that this link took you directly to the activity that you need to complete either Monday or Tuesday. Sometimes I'll write Monday and Tuesday to give you 2 days, depending on what your Monday looked like. If it was really busy, that's okay. Go ahead and try to tackle it on Tuesday. If you've never used Seesaw before, use these directions right here. Tap Add Response to open the activity. Then use the Seesaw tools to complete the 5 back-to-school pages. Okay, let's add the response. Now, I'm going to go to the right side, and I see there's different pages. Use the pen tool to write your name. Okay. Oh, wow, you can do this on an iPad. You can do this on a computer. I'm going to write my name. Okay. And then, after you finish, you'll go to the next slide. Use the text tool on the top right to type your name. Then, use the camera to take a picture of something at your house. Then, use the camera to take a picture of yourself. And so you'll go through, and then once you're all done, you'll click check, and that will submit your work to me. Let's go back to see what else. Oh, the letter hunt. Ooh, for the letter A. That's another activity that I want you to work on Monday. So this will take you directly to the activity you're going to complete. Then you're going to look down number 3. It says Green Apple folder. Oh, there's something that I want you to do called a RAN board. So you'll complete that for the day. During our live class Zoom, I'll also talk in detail about what's in the green folder that I want you to complete for homework. So parents, you can ask questions during that time too. I want to go back to our home page and show you what other buttons there are. These important link buttons will direct you to the Ladera Stars homepage if you need more information about the school. There's more information about me. This is a fast way to find my email and my phone number. You click here and it goes directly to my contact. This will directly link you to Seesaw. And remember, all of your logins are on this cheat sheet passcode. Math Seeds and Reading Eggs are websites that we use to learn. Reflex Math, Teach Your Monster to Read, Education.com. All of the logins are below. Then, if you lost the password cheat sheet and you can't find it on your email, don't worry. I've connected that to Canvas as well. So you'll click Password Cheat Sheets and your child's name will be here, and you'll open it and you'll click the PDF and it'll be there also. The last button I want to show you is this big yellow button. So if you've missed a live class or you want more review, or if you just really enjoyed these slideshows that I've made, you're going to click here and it'll link you to the week. So August 19th through 21st, here's the link to the slideshow. Some of your students really enjoyed the videos and you can rewatch them. If you need more information about the parent info page, go ahead and go back there. All right. So just get familiar with this website and this page because everything you need is right here. If you have questions about it or if your buttons aren't working, let me know. I've double checked everyone's and I've double checked them and they should be working, but let me know if they aren't. All right. So what you want to remember is this blue book, Courses, will take you directly to the website, and that is our Nassar Team 4 website. So just remember the blue book. Now, there's also on this page, when you click Dashboard right there, the timer, there's a to-do list. So it tells you today's Saturday, you don't need anything. Tomorrow's Sunday, you don't need anything. Oh, but Monday, there's an event, and maybe your child has speech during that time, and so you'll click it, and it'll take you directly there. So this is another way to see what's going on. But really, once you're familiar with Courses, you click Nassar Team 4, and you want to know the schedules, you look at the orange and the yellow buttons, and they will help you. All right, well, feel free to give me an email if you're confused about something.